Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. So today we are going to make the famous Jamaican curry goat. Guys, this curry goat is very popular in my household. It is very simple to make and guys, it is absolutely delicious. So stay with me and let's get started. I'm going to add my goat meat, which I purchased from my local butcher's, to a bowl. Next, I'm going to add apple cider vinegar, and then I will wash this goat meat thoroughly using cold water. I will repeat the washing process a couple of times because I want to ensure that my meat is nice and clean. If you don't have vinegar at home, you can certainly use lemon or lime to clean your goat meat. Once I have finished cleaning the goat meat, I am going to go ahead and add my seasonings. Guys, please season your meat using your preferred seasonings of choice. You can see the type of seasonings that I'm using, but of course you don't have to use the same if you don't have it at home. So if you have your favorite seasonings in your cupboard, then go ahead and use that instead. Once I finish adding my seasoning, I'm adding some chopped garlic, followed by some chopped onions, followed by some green and red bell peppers and Scotch Bonnet. Guys, with the Scotch Bonnet, adjust it to your heat preference. I've just added spring onions and thyme. I'm going to be using two types of curry powder. I've got Betapac curry powder and Badia curry powder. And I chose to use two because I do like the flavors that it gives with my curry goat. So if you don't have both and you only have one, go ahead and use that. Your curry goat will still come out really nice. Next, I'm wearing gloves to mix everything together because I don't want my fingernails to stain. Once you have mixed everything together, go ahead, cover the meat and place it in a refrigerator to allow it to marinate overnight. The next day, time to make this curry go. I have added a little bit of oil to a pan. I did allow the oil to come to heat, and now I am adding my marinated goat to the pan. Guys, do ensure that you marinate your meat overnight because it's going to enhance the flavor and it's just going to ensure that your curry goat comes out tasting so good. Guys, at this point, your kitchen should be smelling all sorts of good. It should be smelling incredible. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover and allow the goat to steam for 10 minutes. I'm not going to add any water at this point. After 10 minutes, you can see that the goat has released its own water. And then next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and add 1 liter of hot water. Why am I adding so much water? Is because I'm going to be cooking the goat meat on low heat for about an hour, 15 minutes, because I do want my goat to become very tender, very soft. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of pimento seeds, cover and allow the curry goat to simmer. So this is about an hour into cooking the curry goat, and at this point I'm going to add some diced potatoes because I do want my curry goat to thicken in consistency, and the potatoes is going to help it to do just that. Next, I'm going to cover and just allow this to simmer for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. And at this point, the curry goat is ready. Guys, it smells incredible. I wish you were in my kitchen whilst I was making this. Now, as I was making this, my husband kept asking me, when would the curry goat be ready? Because he could not wait to tuck in. Once you make this, I'm sure it will leave your family wanting more. Now, at this point, I'm going to show you how tender the goat is. Just look at this. It is so tender. When you're making your curry goat, do not rush the process. Take your time because you want this to come out perfect. And now we are going to enjoy it with some plain rice. As always, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also comment below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.